What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let me pick it up right quick. Let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. Okay, we're about to check on the market performance. Okay, then sorry about that. Had to move. They're building a playground for the kids, so it's a lot of noise. Anyways, today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First of all, we check out the 24 hours market performance. Then we look at our positions, and from there, we look at the price in a little bit of details. Because, like I told you, everything has been playing out exactly as predicted. Okay, has been playing out that way. But anyways, before we do that, guys, patience. When you are patient, you will get everything you set out to get. When you're patient, and that is the name of this when you trade cryptocurrencies. The name of the game is called patience. Okay, you have to wait, you have to calculate, you have to look at everything around, how everything is going. I give you an example. When I started my Casper trade for the first time, okay, my Casper trade, I got into Casper spot trading. A lot of people were thinking, oh yeah, it's going to be what? It's not going to pass 1 cent. It's not going to go 2 cents. By then, Casper was around, when I got in, it was like 3 zeros and what, 1 9, I think it was, or something like that. It was 3 0 because I remember they just launched it. And after, because I followed the project, or even before it was launched. So once they just launched it, I jumped in. And people's like, it's not gonna get this, it's not gonna get this. And yet I was like, oh well, it is what it is. You guys already know me. I am very, very great aggressive trader. I take a risk. I mean, like, yeah, I do take the risk. As long as the risk is not zero, I mean, as long as the probability is not zero, I am in there. Okay, if the probability of me making a lot of money out of Casper is 0.001, and I believe in the project, I get in there. So yeah, that's what I did. I was like, you know what? I don't care who says or what they say. I know what I read. I know what they're doing. I'm getting in. So I started, putting money into Casper. Okay, that's how I got my 524,000 coins. Again, another one is Quant. People been telling you, like, if you do remember, like 3-4 months ago, or even 5 months, Quant was going down and everybody else was running. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wait. I was gonna wait until it got to that $100. Then, you know what? The news about the overledger, news about Enbridge, everything started coming out. I knew that the charge could go down to probably 60 or so, $55-$60. And I started telling you guys about it, but you know what? I was like, no, I'm not going to wait. I'm going to start buying my my Quant right now. So I started buying. My entry point for Quant is at $100. I think it was, or something there like that. So I started buying Quant. A lot of people still saying it like, nah, that is a big mistake. You are going to lose your money. You are going to do this and that. And again, I look at the charts and I tell people, listen, I think Quant has bottomed out. Yeah, I might still be negative right now because I bought it at $100, but I believe in this project. I know what they're building. It's like, if you look at their use cases, this thing is going to be one of the most expensive tokens in history. And yet, everybody called me crazy. But anyways, I was patient enough. Now you look, what's happening? Look at what's going on. It is so funny. Look at what's happening. The same thing we can talk about Jasmine. Jasmine was down when my entry point for Jasmine was 0.003 or something like that. That's when I started getting into Jasmine. At first, my goal was to get 500,000 coins, and I was like, yeah, well, 500,000 coins. If it makes it out there, I can make a good chunk of money. If you make it out there to 60 cents, because that's what I'm thinking the price is gonna get. Okay, so anyways, I started buying on spot. So then later, I kind of like, you know what? When we hit that I think it was 1 cent or something like that. Or I entered a trade, took profit, came back to, and then guys, I keep saying the same thing. Jasmine is a dead coin. It's not going to go anywhere. And I'm like, guys, Jasmine is going to make you a lot of money. I don't leverage or on spot. We had 3 months. I remember saying this to you guys. 3 months. Everybody keep thinking that, oh, September is going to be a red month. Hey, we are days away for September to end, right? Is the market red? How is quant performing? Can anybody answer that? Nobody want to say nothing. Again, now you look at Casper. Everybody looking at Casper be like, yeah, it's a flop, it's this and that. And I go, here we go again. That is a sign that Casper is about to pop. It's about to jump. Everybody keep waiting. Guys, they are about to add stable coins to Casper. It's just like Luna Classic, okay? I know this is not part of you guys, a coin that a lot of people hold. But it's just like Luna Classic. Luna Classic, everybody else is keep it right now. Everybody keeps kicking Luna Classic like a dead horse. It's not gonna do this. But yeah, the risk is there. You have to be patient with that project. The reason is because one, they have a proposal out, okay? They want to repay their USTC stable coin to $1. And guys, if they pull that off, if they pull it, that's a if. They pull it off, this thing is going to run like crazy. And a lot of people are not going to believe they missed that dead horse, like they called it. Okay, that's something else. And another thing that brings me close to Luna Classic is that after all this said and done, why is Binance spending so much money burning Luna Classic every month? What did they know that I don't? And seeing that Binance is doing something like that, guys, it raises my eyebrow. Like, okay, I think these guys are going to do something with this coin that is going to make it pump, either in the short term or the long term. You understand? Now, everything I'm trying to tell you guys here is that everything revolves around being patient. If you are patient, guys, you will make a lot of money in this space. You will make a lot of money. Casper, one, smart contract inscriptions, I call them that, inscriptions, because the real smart contracts are coming next year, probably February, March. These inscriptions introduce stable coins. Stable coins bring volume to the chain. Volume to the chain, it brings a lot of opportunity for developers. You will have DeFi, gaming, whatever you call it. And guys, this right here is about to run to $2. Mark my words. And when the real smart contract come in next year, you will see Casper up to 10 or even above, $10 or even above. Same is to say with quant. We already know that regulations are already been approved in different countries. Now we are just waiting for stablecoins policies, and the rumors is that we are about to have them anytime from now. What do you think will happen when stablecoins policies are introduced? Quant will jump. You will see those God candles, and those of you who were patient enough, you will start making the money. Even right now, Quant is starting to run, and you will see it. I will show you in a minute. It has started to run. It has started to go up. A lot of people are making money, me included. Me included. My season trade on Quant has started to take off. The same thing with Jasmine, guys. These things require you to be just patient. Open your trade, scale it up, have some money on the side, okay? Make money and start going. Like There are other trades that I do down now and then. Like yesterday, I had a turbo trade. I opened it, I made a couple $100 out of it, closed it, and out. Keep on moving. That's how it works. Okay. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's start with my crypto bubbles. Let's go here. Crypto bubbles. As you can see, everything is green, and everybody else expecting a red September, right? Oh my God. Okay, so let's start with Casper, King Casper. And when we look at this, we see here that we are down 0.17% the past hour. Again, 0.15% the past day. 1.3% still down the past week. 3.5% down on the month. And 247% up on the year. Again, you look at these numbers, it tells you we are going we are going sideways, getting ready for a pop. Now let's go look at Quant, QNT. Quant, the coin that a lot of people love to hate. For the past hour, look at that. We are up 0.25%, 4.3% up on the day, 9.6% up on the week, 10.7% up on the month. And again, look at that number. I keep telling you guys, you got to pay attention to the yearly number. See that? Yesterday it was what, 18-20%? Now we are still down, but 14.8%. We are getting ready to turn green. It's coming slowly. Now let's go look at Jasmine, JAS. Here you go. Jasmine, look at that. The past hour, 0.54% up, 9.2% up on the day. Guys, 16.9% up on the week, 4% down on the month, and 509% up on the year. Look at that. Price is testing that 2.3 cents that I've been talking about. Is very, very important. That's what it is doing now. Jasmine broke out, guys. Like I said yesterday and the day before that, we broke out of that falling wedge. Now let's go look. Excuse me. Yeah, Jasmine broke out, Quant broke out, Casper is getting ready to that move too. It's coming. Like I don't even know how to say this, but it's setting up. It is setting up for that monumental move. Now let's go look at pricing a little bit details. Okay, let's examine the things slowly. Let me take you to my trading view. Trading view right here. We're gonna start with Casper. This is on the 1 hourly. Okay, let me take this out here, zoom in a little bit, and you can see, okay, we are still into this triangle. You guys, I told you guys, it is going up and down, testing resistance and support. Okay, we just went all the way up, test the resistance, now came down, test the support. Now I'm expecting the price to do exactly this, start to go back up again, go test the resistance, and see, maybe there we have enough momentum to break the resistance at 17.2 cents. You guys know I've mentioned this price time after time. So that's what Casper is doing right now. Now, the only bad thing on the 1 hour is that we are below the moving ribbon, which looks like we're going to come back down to retest the support and bounce from there. But who knows? You might see Casper usually react different than anything else. You might see it go above the ribbon, turn it into a support, and keep going. But on the 1 hourly, I think we're going to come back down because the ribbon is pointing down. The moving average is also pointing downwards. Now, look at the 4 hourly. Here we go. On the 4 hourly, see? This is what's happening. We are in between this resistance and this support. Again, we came down, touched it. Now we're going up. On the 4 hourly, I think it's showing that Casper is about to go above the moving average, go above the moving ribbon to go try the resistance again. That's what it is showing. So yeah, there's not much to be saying on Casper, but sit tight and wait because everything is playing out the way we want to. Now let's go look at Quant QNT, the coin that a lot of you a lot of people like to hate. USDT on Tether Binance. That's what I want. Okay, here we go. This is Quant. If you go on the, let me start on the 1 hour first. That's the first you like to see. On the 1 hour, yesterday, I remember telling you guys this scenario is what was going to play. And it's exactly, go watch my video and you will see it. We came down, touched that 72. Guys, because every coin does this. When the resistance has been there for quite a when the resistance has been there for quite a while, we break above it, you usually come back down, use it as support, and off we go. The same thing Quant did. We broke out during the weekend. I told you guys we're gonna break above $72. So we broke above it, came back, touched it, and now Quant is moving. Again, look at this simple, look at the moving average. These are the simple things I usually tell you guys to watch out for. Look at the moving average. See, pointing upwards, is getting ready to go. Like Quant is gone. And then you look at the moving ribbon upwards. So I don't know what to tell you guys again. Now look at it. Let's go on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hour, beautiful. Look at that. Bull flag, that was a lot of resistance. I remember that on the weekend I told you guys we were here. We broke above it with a lot of strength because the Quant needed to close the week above $72 to confirm this bullishness. Okay, so Quant went above, came back again, normally touch, and up we go. Look at the moving ribbon, pointing upwards, moving average, pointing upwards. Again, if you go look at your MACD and RSI, they are as bullish as they come. So yeah, Quant is gone. So you still don't want to believe it? Look at it on the daily. That's another thing. The higher the time frame you go, the more you're going to see that this price action is about to get crazy. So look, if you look at it on the daily, let me do this. See, we broke above. This was a bull flag. Broke above the bull flag, and up we went. Again, the price target on this bull flag is that for me, I wrote it this way, but looking at the charts again, it looks like the price target is about to go to that 104, 105 resistance I've been telling you guys for a while. Okay, so 104, 105. But again, guys, I will keep saying this. You have to zoom out on the weekly on Quant. Zoom out on the weekly, and you will see something that a lot of traders are not telling you, or probably they are not looking at. Okay, Quant is breaking out, and the ultimate target of this breakout is all the way up here, $125. That's what it is. This is on the weekly chart. See, first week green, second week green, third green, and now third week now we are also green. And now look at the moving ribbon. We are bouncing. I think Quant is about to go above that 104, 105, turn it into support, and then start the leg up to try to go have that 125 resistance. Now, how did I come with $125? Guys, if you put a Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high of Quant to the all-time lows, okay? Excuse me. When you put that retracement from all-time high of Quant to the all-time low, you will see that the first line of the Fib retracement falls into $125. And those first line usually acts like a magnet to the price, so it's going to attract the price up there. People or traders see it, a lot of people see, so they are going to try to make longs or shorts. A lot of people are going to put a lot of shorts right there. Okay, and you know how the market works. Liquidity with a lot of stop losses, market makers are going to try to make a lot of people lose their money. Like a lot of people who are betting on Quant going on $40 right now, they're about to lose a lot of money. Anyways, yeah, you see that, and that's exactly what's going on with Quant. Now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. If we go here, let me close this one out right quick. So like Jasmine, JASMY, and we're gonna take a Binance there. On Jasmine, same thing. I've been telling you guys, yeah, I was a little bit bearish on the short term because of the 2.3 cents. But now looking at how everything has been looking for the past few days, okay? Check how everything has been acting for the past few days. Excuse me. We will see that Jasmine finally guys, is breaking out of this falling wedge. Finally is breaking out. This is on the weekly. First week, second week, and you can see the ribbon has started to curve. Okay, the ribbon starts to curve. I think Jasmine is going to take this 2.3 cents resistance and break it like nothing else. I think that's what's going to happen. And you know the target of this falling wedge, okay, is at 4.5 cents. So that's what we are looking at, and that's what I think that the price is going to go in the immediate short term. So yeah, Jasmine is breaking out, and everything is looking so beautiful right now in this chart. Now this 4.5 cent is not the ultimate target for this bull flag. The bull flag target is around that 11-12 cents, okay, and that you can be sure that a lot of people are going to try to short Jasmine from there, but a lot of people are going to lose because the golden pocket is somewhere around that 15 cents. So because like when you zoom out, look, this is the Fibonacci that I did from the all-time high to the all-time low as usual. Look at this. First line, 98 cents, but we're going to go there because the target of this is all the way up there at 12 cents. Okay, then we have the golden pocket. So this golden pocket usually attract the price. So we're probably going to have the price go to 15 cents. 15 cents, turn it into support, and up we go. A lot of people are going to try to short it, but hey, it's up to you. You can do what you think. I think this price is about to do this. Okay, turn it into support and go to 20 cents. 20 cents, yeah, that's where if you want to short, you should evaluate the market right there. I think 20 cents is going to be a big resistance. But anyways, now let's just watch how this is going. So far, so good. Everything looks nice and beautiful for Jasmine. If you go on the hourly, let's start right there again. On the hourly, you can see that clearly Jasmine is in an uptrend. We are going higher and higher and higher. Now you can also look at that on the 4 hourly. 4 hourly, the same thing. Jasmine broke out, came back, retest, and now we're going. Look at the moving ribbon and look at your 200 moving average. Everything is moving according to plan. Look at that. Plus, we are right now trading at 2.2 cents. Just a little bit more. I think earlier it tried that 2.3 cents. I got rejected. But yeah, I think we're about to break it in the upcoming days, sooner than later. So, let me go back here. Again, it's an opportunity if you're patient enough. An opportunity for you to 5, 10, or even 20x your money. Okay. Again, guys, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. Just buy your coins on spot. You're still gonna make money as well. But if you want to try different ways, just like me, I do it 3 ways. I have coins on spot, I leverage trade, and I'm also a miner. I mine my coins. So anyways, now you can use the links below, sign up, meet the deposit requirements. Once you do that, they give you free money, you start trading. Okay, you can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Again, I really don't care about that part. What I care about is that you make money, and in 10 to 12 months, we sit here and celebrate. It might even be shorter than that. The way things are going, I think this market is gonna try to play a lot of people out, because I don't think this cycle will play like the other ones. I think this bull run, the top will come in sooner than a lot of people expect. But anyway, that's just me. I will just keep on looking at the markets. But anyway, now let's go look at my Bydfi, which are my seasonal trades on Casper and Quant. Let's see. Bydfi. Let it load up right quick. You guys remember yesterday I was down 12,200, I think it was. My overall today, I am up 13,700. You see, it is moving easy and slowly, but we are going there. If you look at my contracts, look at here. Wow, my quant, I was down yesterday 37% or 36. I am up today 48%, which is 3,500. My Casper, I am still roaming about my break even, which is 4 or 5%. I'm still down 139. Now you can look at this. I believe Quant can hit $20 billion market cap sooner than anybody think, and it's going to happen. When that happens, that will put Quant even above $5,000 each, probably there. But so if you look, if Quant goes to $5,000, my position will make me $1.2 million. Now let's just see we are bearish here. My bearish scenario for Quant on this run is 1,500. If this thing goes to 1,500, this position will make me $361,000. See that? For me, I think it'll go above 5 grand. So yeah, we're just waiting. We're just waiting, because at 5 grand, like I already showed you, if it goes above 5 grand, let's just say 6,500, this position will make me $1.6 million. Yeah, patience is the key. I'm patient enough, and I'm waiting to see what the market will do. Now, for Casper, it's also the same story. A lot of people say, okay, what's my bearish prediction? My bearish prediction for Casper, if it doesn't perform well, I think it's going to go around $5. Okay, if we go to $5, this position will make me $294,000, which again is a good chunk of money to take and start the bear market with. Okay, but for me, it's going to be $10. I think we are going to go above $10, and I said it in every of my videos. By the time we hit $10, this position will make me $599,000. Again, this is not everything, because I'm planning on scaling up, adding more to my margin, because I want to make more out of this position. Okay, so now let's go look at my Phemex. My Phemex is where I have only one long seasonal trade, which is my Jasmine, and my other trade over there is my daily trade. Like I trade that Casper over there based on resistance and support. So let's go look at it right quick, which is Phemex right here. Guys, yesterday, if you do remember, I was down, what, 14,200 or 14,100? Today, my overall, I am up $15,000. It is growing, guys. It is running. So if you look here on the contracts, would you look at that? Look at the Jasmine, guys. Yesterday, my Jasmine was down negative 38, 39%. You go back and look at my video and you will see. Today, my Jasmine, I'm still negative, but it's just 7%. My Casper, I'm also break even there, around 3-4%, which is around $121. Negative $121. Now, again, you got to look at Jasmine, and I say it most of the time. If you want to take profits, look at, first of all, 4.5 cents. At 4.5 cents, this position will make me $18,000. The next stop, which I will consider major, is going to be 12 cents. Okay, if you get 12 cents, this position would make me $80,000. Now, but me, I think it's going to shoot higher. So the golden pocket, which has 15 cents, at 15 cents, this position will make me $104,000. Now you got to look at it. Okay, just chill, be patient enough, and you will make this money. Now, we go above that, we have the ultimate resistance at 20 cents. 20 cents, this position will make me $146,000. But you guys already know, this is my seasonal trade. I'm not going to close it at 20 cents. I might, if it depends on how things are. You never know. But anyways, if you look at, for me, my all-time high prediction of Jasmine is at 60 cents. At 60 cents, this position will make me $477,000. Now, like I said in the other video, depending on how their lockup goes. If their lockup goes good, you can see Jasmine at $1 or even $2. At $1, this position will make me $807,000. Now, at $2 or $1.30, this position will make me $1 million. Now, that is me. Excuse me. Now, that's me. That's the way I trade. A lot of patience. Okay, just sit there, have my positions open, have a lot of patience, and let everything play out. So far, it has been playing out the way the way we predicted, the way I told you guys it's gonna happen. That's how it's been happening, right? Now, that being said, guys, you have nothing to do but sit there, be patient, and you will be greatly rewarded at the end of all. Anyways, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please share this video so that other people that are millionaire minded like you and I can see this, and we can trade ideas, and at the same way the family can also, at the same time, the family can also grow. So leave your comments. I would like to know what you think. Okay, I would like to know your opinions. I will try to reply to all of them as soon as I see them. Okay, so that being said, guys, please, until I see you my next time, please be careful out there. Bye bye.